Hello everybody, my name's John, welcome to our channel. This is another RC Basics, and what do you do if you have a particularly bent bolt or screw? If you don't have replacements, which a lot of people don't, especially for RC cars, you can in fact repair them as long as you're gentle. Now, it's not so easy to, I suppose it is easy to tell when I move it further out. Let me get the bolt out and I'll show you what I mean. The bolts on the top of the RC suspension are particularly vulnerable because it takes, you know, a majority of the bangs and knocks. But let me get this out and I'll show you what I mean. Keep that one safe. Now you can see, let's bring it up a bit more. You can see it is quite significantly bent. So what do we do? Well, I have shown this before on my other videos, but as this is RC Basics, I thought we would go into it one more time. So, drill a little hole. There's one I prepared earlier. Get your grips. Grab these ones because they've got the curved sort of head on them. And again, all you do, same as what we did on the drive shafts, go to just above. See the bend sort of starts there. Let's go in just a little bit more. Put it in the hole. And bend. Move it back a bit. Bend a bit more. Oh, too much. Go back. You see, it doesn't take a lot to bend these. The head is actually a bit bent, so I'm going to try, if I grip really hard, do it the other way. Put it all the way in. Let's see if we can straighten that up as well. Yeah. A little bit more there, I see. Go away, Fly. Go away, Fly. There we go. A lot straighter than what it was. Put it back in the RC car. Suspension on. Tighten it up. Done. Gorgeous. That's simple. Don't be afraid. Just make sure that you drill a relatively small hole. If these were much thinner, I would have had a thinner hole to put it in, but they fit just fine for that. And you don't need this specific thing, just any piece of wood. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, do so as well. And obviously hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.